Hi, my name is Tim and I'm staying at the Hotel De La Ville in Civitavecchia in Italy. The hotel is a popular place to stay, positioned right on the seafront, close to the restaurants and bars and the centre of the city. It's a period building with a small but smart reception area that greets you as you first arrive to check in. The communal area on the ground floor is elegantly designed with a marbled floor and grand ceiling. The classic old-school interior design continues with red carpets up the stairs. To the right of the reception, there is a comfortable lounge area and bar to relax in. We were booked into a double room with a sea view, so let's go and have a look at the room. The room was a good size with a king-sized bed. The two windows made it feel nice and light. The painted mural behind the bed dominated the room and wouldn't be everybody's cup of tea, but the room was comfortable and spotlessly clean, and we had a very pleasant stay. We had tea and coffee making facilities, a small minibar and good air conditioning. Being at the front of the hotel is definitely a bonus, as the rooms are overlooking a beach club and the seafront. A lot of people stay in Civitavecchia because they're starting or finishing their cruise, and as you can see from the view out of the window, the hotel is conveniently located for the cruise terminal. The bathroom was a little bit dated, but it was a good size, it had everything we needed and was very clean. There was a handy vending machine in the hallway if you wanted to get some water or a snack. The price of our room included a breakfast buffet, which was served in a room on the ground floor with high ceilings and lovely big windows letting in lots of light. The breakfast was good with a selection of hot choices, but also quite a big continental selection of cheese, meats, bread, pastries and cereals. You can help yourself to juices, and there are tea and coffee making machines and even free Prosecco if you want to start your day with some bubbles. If you come out of the hotel and turn right, you will walk directly towards the city centre and the cruise terminal. Straight in front of you is the beach and the seafront promenade. Just to the left of the hotel entrance as you come out, you will find a small fast food restaurant, and beyond that, a few minutes walk to the bus stop and the railway station. The orange building is the railway station and the bus pickup point for the cruise terminal, so you can see how close it is to the hotel. The bus runs frequently to the cruise terminal and takes about 20 minutes. The beach club in front of the hotel has a couple of large swimming pools and a sunbathing area. If you want to enjoy some time on the beach, I suggest you come out of the hotel and turn left and walk along the promenade. You'll find two smaller beaches that are more sheltered and are separated by a long wooden pier. It's also an area that has lots of bars and restaurants lining the seafront. There are dining options to match most people's budgets. There are some smarter restaurants, but also a selection of cafes and local pizzerias. The area felt quite buzzy in the early evening, with lots of people enjoying a sunset cocktail. The promenade directly in front of the hotel is a nice area to explore. There was a Sunday market when we were there. People are just hanging out, walking along, dancing and enjoying the seafront. Just below the promenade, there is a path that runs along the top of the beach with gardens and palm trees. The path leads to a wider public space where you'll find fountains and the famous statue, Unconditional Surrender. A little bit further and you come to the Fort Michelangelo. You can find out about more things to see and do in Civitavecchia on my YouTube channel. I would recommend the hotel as a good, comfortable base, whether you're spending one night there before your cruise or spending more time exploring this part of Italy. I've had a great stay at the Hotel De La Ville. If you've enjoyed my video and would like to see some more of my travels, please click subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.